Hello, my friends. Welcome back to this morning's Chi activation. We're going to begin from the beginning of the universe position with the feet shoulder apart, the knees comfortably bent, shoulders relaxed, smile on your lips, and let's bounce. As you bounce, you breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Long, slow, gentle breaths. A little longer on the exhalation, a couple seconds longer on the exhalation for that healing or detoxifying breath. As you're bouncing, you're pumping up that earth energy by the action of your legs, pumping it up into your core, awakening and aligning your internal organs. Now you're going to raise your arms up and let the wrists flap freely. You're going to open the chest a little bit and put your attention on opening the energy channels in your head, neck, shoulders, your upper chest. You're moving your lymph. You're helping your body to detoxify. You're helping your body to circulate your chi. You're helping your body to return to balance. Feel how good that feels. Feel how amazing that feels. Now lower the hands down, swing gently left and right. Tapping on the side of the ribs, the front hand, and on the center of the back at the height of the navel, on the Ming Men point, gate of life point, in the center of the back. And raise that front hand up top of the chest, lung 1, lung 2 meridians. Continuing to bounce. Over the top of the shoulder. 2, 2. Back to the top of the chest. Back to the sides of the ribs. Slowly come to a rest. Close your eyes. Put the attention on your hands. What are you feeling in your hands? Let's tap the top of the cheeks under the center of the eyes 9 times. Inside of the eyebrows. Sides of the temples. Above the top lip. Below the bottom lip. Below the collarbone. On the solar plexus. Lean forward with one hand, cup the top of your crown. Slide that hand to the base of your head and cup 9 times. Massage your C7 vertebrae. And the hands in front, let's clap those palms together for the heart channel. Cup the inside of the left elbow. And the inside of the right elbow. Under the left armpit. Under the right armpit. Tap first on the kidney areas with a loose fix with the sides of your fist or with the backs of your hands. Lower the hands down now to the lower back sacrum area. And now tailbone. Alternating, being gentle and firm. Tapping the sides of your hips. Lean forward, cup the tops of the knees. The backs of the knees. Sides of your left knee. Side of the right. Slowly straighten back up. Bring your hands into prayer position. Set your intention for today's practice, but begin by inviting your spiritual master, your God, the divine, the universe, the creator, your ancestors, whoever it is that for you represents that pure, unconditional love, that powerful healing energy. Invite them to help you with your practice. Make a specific request for whatever challenge on the physical level, the emotional level, the spiritual level you want to work on today. Release that thought. Come to the beginning of the universe position, round the arms, soften the shoulders, bend the knees. Find the center of balance on your feet as you elongate your spine, tucking the chin, tailbone. You smile your lips, switch your breathing to breathing in and out of your nose. Rest the tip of your tongue on your palate. Focus on your breath. Breathing in, be aware of the whole inhalation. And breathing out, be aware of the whole exhalation. Focusing on your breath, you connect that universal chi, that Zen chi, that peaceful chi. You connect all beings to all things, the breath of life. Bring your hands now into the position for the movement called beginning, the breathing of the universe. Arms are parallel to the ground, elbows are out wide, knees comfortably bent. Palms facing palm, thumbs relaxed. As you breathe in, you open and expand the energy ball. As you exhale, you compress the energy ball. Now as you breathe in, open, you bend at the knee and you drop to whatever level feels right for you. Exhaling, you straighten back up, pressing the legs up, but not all the way straight, not locking the knee. Breathing in, dropping down. Breathing out, pressing on the edges of the ball, feeling the ball pressing back on you. Breathing in. And breathing out. Now connecting to the positive emotion of joy. As you breathe in the energy of joy. Think of something that makes you feel joyful. Say to yourself, I am joyful. Joyful energy is flowing in and around every cell of my body. I feel so joyful. I'm raising my vibration, my frequency to the frequency of joy, balancing out all the emotions in your heart's energetic system. Now we're going to do 5 minutes of energy breathing. As you open and expand, I'm going to chant Om. And as you close and bring the hands together, I'm going to chant Muah. The movement is exactly the same. Close your eyes. Go deeper as you hear the sound. Om. Muah. Om. Muah. Om 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 Muah. Bring your hands down to your sides. Spiral the hands. Left hand moving in a clockwise direction. Take a relaxing breath. Let's rub the hands together, get them nice and warm. Let's harvest some chi. Place them over the navel. Men with the left hand on the belly, women with the right hand on the belly. Visualize a beautiful ball of light in the lower dantian, spinning and spinning, getting smaller and brighter, spinning faster and faster, getting smaller and brighter, until you tuck away. There's an energy pill, storing that pill deep behind the navel. Massage up on the right, down on the left. Small circular motion around the navel 9 times. Then open the circle up to the top of the solar plexus down to the base of the belly 9 times. Sending light and love and warmth to all your internal organs. And now again, small, tight circles on the navel. Bring your hands into prayer position. Bowing to you, thanking you for today's practice. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste. Have a great rest of your day.